it still sounded pretty cool. It's been an absolute dream of mine to do makeup for the Rockettes ever since I was a teenager, so it is such an honor to meet you. Yeah, very grateful. Very grateful. I got this job last year, so this is my second year doing this. Let's just put some foundation on. We're gonna put a lot since the lighting and, performance makeup. You look absolutely beautiful. Yeah, let's blend this in. So are you nervous for tonight, for the show? Oh yeah, I can imagine. Nerves never really die fully. But you look stunning. Very. Yeah. Like, I'm a little bit nervous meeting you, actually. Let's just put this on. Just gonna put a lot of powder on because we don't want any sweat to kind of, make you very oily. But we're still going to keep the radiance. So we have this chocolate palette. It actually smells like chocolate if you want to smell it. Yeah, every Rockette actually gets one of these. Look to your right at the end of the show. Yeah, it's by Flower Nose. It's such a beautiful ballet palette. Look to your left. Which actually, I know you do precision dance, but which kind of dancing do you prefer? Jazz, ballet? Look up a little bit. I'm gonna put this underneath your eyes. You like ballet? Yeah. Do you like tap? A little bit of highlighter. Going to be very precise on your nose like that. And look to your right, just on your cheekbone. A little bit on the brow. Look to your left. Just right there. Perfect. Okay, time check. Oh, we don't have too much time. I just realized the performance starts in about a minute. Smile. It's good. Just the cheeks. Perfect. They like us to do makeup last. We're gonna go in with this eyeshadow palette. Makeup last so that it can be very fresh for the performance. Okay, we're mixing the red and the white to give a Christmassy look. Okay, that should be good. And when I say blink, I just need you to blink, 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 blink. Okay, perfect. Oh my god, bestie, did you do your makeup in the dark? I'm gonna get you right cleansing balm to get this stuff off your face. You need like a whole bunch. Just gonna bring a little life back to your face, Hey bestie, do you happen to have any blush? Yeah, I totally forgot to put on some today and it looked kind of dead, so I was wondering if I could borrow your blush.
this onto your face. Got a little bit of foundation on the back of my hand. I'm just going to blend, buffing it out. Buffing it out. Translucent powder. We're going to do some blush now. And just buff this into your beautiful cheeks. Cheeks. I'm just going to do a little bit on the nose as well. A little tiny bit